Tongan Balamda Laiva Artist Kungatareta English and Anitarago Humdoigi Manipur State Kala Academy Award and the Fellow Sing Kusinakre. Yellow Dagi Lerak Laba Low Singubagi Mongo Equina Makacha Taba Matoktai Haina Deputy Chief Minister Gaihangam Napungokre. Amasung Namid Humni Chupna Pangtoka the State Level Krishi Melang Asidagi Haukre Ban Block at Topi Nava Minister Govindas na Apil Taukre. Mayam Bukrum Zaria Domyang Birvisa Impact News ni ay Khaidem Gent is in a prime time Manipuri News Bulletin da Mayam Butaram Nokchari. Ahan Bamaktada Breaking News Pizari. Ngasi numidang pung tarik minitara rom chalakpada Tangmayban ABC Godon Manakta Leba Punia Honda gi Sorum gi Mamang da Bom Mapokai Kre Bom Adu Sakhang da Basing na Punia Honda gi Sorum da Langsilambani Bom Aduna Punia Honda Sorum gi Satar da Kara Sokan ba Natana Toidokpa Akai Toidi Yaukide Manakta Leramba Mui Ama Mingsel Machina Pan Badagi Kara Kazik Sokpanatana Achoba Casualty di Yauhoutre.
Akhoi makha mi ahum mulai kana pung tariat ke mi tariat ni pan sai mu chalak patai mi dar lang kila amane kai marangi kai nungai tapai lang jali no hai di chap chap khang gedre akhoi gi sida ke sia ona leiba khoi yam am di mamai de khidang chue
Zi bulletin asiki makata pau se mayam da pizari Manipur gi ahal oiraba artist singna kathokpa amaga loinana chahi kaya masa masa gi lamda thabak tawrak liba asi hogalak liba lamda masigi artist singna su matau tamfam Thoi Haina Manipur gi Governor Oibaga Loinana Manipur State Kala Academy gi Chairman su Oiba V Sarmuganathan na Fongdokre Academy sin Sindhu na Palace Compound Leba Chandrakiti Auditorium de English ani Gatrago Humdoigi Academy Award Yentopugi Tharonga Mari Leinana Mahagna Haikibada Academy sina Lamdam Masigi Saknai Raba Artist Sing da Piriba Manasi Ahal Oiraba Artist Sing Kaktagi Nate Naha Oiba Hogalak Liba Artist Sing na Kathokpa amaga loinana Manipur gi heritage chawkhatnaba hotnabada mateng pangfam thoi haike jago isai wari liba thangta amadi sumang lila yauna tongan ba lam da leiba artist kun ga taretta academy fellow award amasung academy young talent ki mana Manipur gi governor amasung chief minister ani na ikai khumnaba utpaga loinana sel gi mana yauna mana mathum sing yantoki.
It is a great quality. It is called tapas in the olden days. It is called penance. So every artist at the age of 90 or 100, they are rewarded. They are honored means their life, they focus on this art and music and culture. See, up to 90 years, 95 years, they are carrying on this. So continuously, we are able to pursue for excellence. This is a wonderful quality that we have to learn from these senior artists.
Atopa state singer Changdam Nabata apikpa state ama oizarabasu lamdamasida lairiba kala sanskriti gi pukai langai asidi mapan naidraba samudraga pangkhakni haina Chief Minister Okram Ibobina Fongdokre Chief Minister na makha taraduna haikibada laiwai kraba ahallaman singna ngasigi mirol gidamak thanamliba Langai kaya sigidamang ay koy punamak na chokthok chapam thoi sports amadi art and culture na lamdamasibu malem da masaktak pangamliba sida laikhidrabu oza guru sing adugi saruk yauri laizariba pukai asibu henna paksan na saktak na bohonabada government ki maikaidagi atat akham laitana hotnaba yabo hotnagani haina chief minister na fongdoki academy sigi mana panglaba sol laba artist da governor amadi chief minister anina manakta chatun award khusinaki
कोई लाइवोई खरबा होजिक लेंचिन बिरिबा अहलमन लाइग्रु सिंगना थंबिरमबा मयाम लनथुम मयाम हाइबा तारे कला संस्कृति की लमसिददी समुद्र गुंबनी हाइना इंगोंद फावे अहलमन लाइग्रु सिंगना तोंगान बा लमदा पिबिरमिबा ममन नाइद्रबा लनसिंग हाइबा तारे मसिंग लांगमद्रबा कोई पुकै सिदा थंबिरमिबसे मुतखिदनबा खरे हेन पाक्थोक चाउथोक्तना Zik Prithibina Sakhang Biribuse, Masidagi Hena Paktok Sautonaba, Ekoi Mayam, Hotna Minerasi.
Yelongai the Giler Labal Singu Bagi Mong, Ekoi Namakat chathaba mathau tai haina Deputy Chief Minister Gai Khangamna phongdokre organic products sing puthoktu na senthok hengat padanatana hakchang fana lainaba hotnaba matam oire haina ngasi classic grande chingmairong da pangthokiba nomgi oiba Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana PKVY gi workshop ta Gai Khangamna makhata ki workshop adu horticulture and soil conservation government of Manipur na sinduna pangthokibani.
Modern organic farming is nothing but a farming system under the principle of traditional farming with added technologies and conforming to the prescribed organic certification norms. That implementations of PKBY in the state will not be difficult when all basic needs of the purpose of production and certification together with the regulated marketing channel for the organic farm producers are put in proper places.
State asida Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana scheme bu chalaina bagidabang lupa koti tragamathoi kaithokle haina Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Government of India ge Secretary Rani Kumdinina phongdokre organic farming henna chokhat hannaba amadi leibak lehaubu henna fagat hannabagi pandamda Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana haibadi traditional farming improvement program asi haudokibani lau pathap asina mahausadagi leijaraklaba har singbu henna sizinaduna Kutsemgi oiba har singda mapal tanglamba kokhanba ngamlagani haiki maramasina scheme asibu mai pakna ba hotnabada lamdamasigi mipung khuding magna mityeng mateng pangbiu haina mahakna makhataki.
You will be guided through the production, the marketable surplus, the processing units, as well as marketing also under the value chain development, which is commodity based. So these two schemes, I think, under value chain, Government of Manipur has asked and we are sanctioning 11 crore rupees under the scheme. So this is a very big proposal that has come from Government of Manipur and also from all other northeastern states. There is a total of 400 crores for value chain development exclusively for 8 northeastern states. Under PKVY, entire India including northeastern gets only 300 crores.
State asigi oina honey processing unit chaliba chahi asida hanglagani loinana state asigi economy chokhatna ba Banamadi blocket toklasi haina soil health management haiba hiramda numit humni chupna pangthokada state level krisi mela English ani taraga taruk hogdopagi thoramda commerce amasung industry amadi veterinary minister Govindas Konthogjamna phongdokre mela si Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Government of India gi miteng makhada state agricultural management and extension training institute Sameti na Department of Agriculture Government of Manipur ga punna khusamnaduna palace compound na leiba iboyai masumang lela sanglenda hogdokibani Manipur Agriculture Department amadi allied sector da labor department sing yauna punna stall kuntra hangdoktuna miyangi pukning chingsinki Minister Govindas na state asig economy agriculture sector da depend tawba maramna agriculture department na hogdokliba krisi mela asi tangai fadabani haina thagat wahi phongdoki state asida tattana tawriba economic blockade asina pothok hengat hanba amadi yonbagi lambida chaitheng pi economy freedom fangnabagi damag ban blockade tawbidanaba mahakna appeal tawrakli
Manipur da economy blockade or gari ban asina sing masing asi to hogda taragadi hayeng di soy thengani manam di Asian countries as looking Manipur da mamit tarakpa hore India ma na Manipur yang bahoralge Southeast Asia gi economy forum da Manipur na yamna chauba role ama sanarakbai matam yorok leba kadai sakini Assam so leirina atopa country gi fauna bayaba Arunachal Pradesh so leirina China ka direct fauna bayaba Mizoram so leirina sangthwai da ki tawra Burma da sanghi bayaba Manipur hundu om bayaba
Chaliba chahi sige June July thadagi anoba policy semduna local gi pothok sing yokhatlagani haina krisi mela hudupugi thauramadu da agriculture amadi fisheries minister Muhammad Abdul Nasir na phongdokre state asigi agriculture department na anoba policy semduna local pothok oiriba moirang fau kombi fau amadi chakhau na chingba makhal makha kaya gi pothok singbu henna puthokna ba amadi yokhatna ba honagani panbiyai haiba fau makhal sing asi lamdamasida tangna fangba fau singdi
Hangatlaba farmers singa tonganbi state ki policy amagi matangda agriculture department na mateng pangnaga lisang sidna handaki June amasung July gi lakpa sidagi ekoni agriculture policy amagi makhada manghandana thamnana bo hotnarani ngasigi Manipur gi praja da skuma message asi thamjari aduna skuma mela asina tung koina Manipur ki samasida agriculture da hongba ma purakpa ngambo erasno
Indian classical music pu thak wangna thamnaba honari Basi Khongba Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia gi flood performance PB gi thoram pangthokre lakliba May Mapandagi May Tragamanga Fauba IIT Guwahati da pangthokadariba Marisuba International Convention gi curtain riser roina Central Agricultural University Kau Manipur amadi Sri Sri Bal Mukunda Music College Department of Art and Culture Manipur na punna sponsor tawduna Speak Mackay Imphal chapter na sinduna Iroi Shembada Laiba Central Agricultural University Kau Manipur gi academic block ta pangthokibani Panbayai Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia Indian Classical Music ki saknainaba singi manungda amani hiramasida lemjaningai oiba award kaya fangbata natana English ani traga homdoida NDTV na puthokpa India gi 25 greatest global living legends singi manungda mahaksu amani Kunayasida mayai kaba chinchak maru fangna muthatsi haibagi pandamda hata makha laikai Social and Youth Development Organization abadi hata makha laikai Women's Welfare Association na koliba mafam singda mayai kaba chinchak yonba yaroi haina cherol mada khangalakli Thobal College ki mahirui singna college asigi award apa kaya yengsen bide haijuna ngasi numit yungba matamda nitaipa chutekta leiba Directorate of Universities and Higher Education ki office thonglon sinduna protest tawkre Thobal College ta wat liba oza sing mention biyo amadi college asigi award pa infrastructure semgat biyo haiba demand sing tawduna mari leinaba department ta haizaduna laklabasu thabak to onthorok tabadagi ngasi gi khongjang asi changsin bani haina college asigi student union gi luchingba amana phungdoroki
award pa myam leigre adubu ngasi akhoi mention tokjariba akhoi gi college ki gate fencing oza award pa gi adagi separate boys and girls toilet adagi computer honors class adagi akhoi gi library leitaba asigu mai tare asigu myam ji asuki batik sangna demand tokjaram tung ngasi bawa masigi chapchaba response pibidaba masidagi akhoi Thawal College ki pen raba satra jingna masumaina lakchabane khata na sumaina tholko daita kudimak mari leinaba department jina masam sana ya jagadam nai akhoi media ki thongda haijari
Ministry of Minorities and Other Backward Classes के ऑफिस असिस्टेंट कम कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटर की दमक हौखिबा मार्च की तांग तरेता पांगतोखिबा वर्क इन इंटरव्यू अदु कैंसल तौरे हाइना MOBC मणिपुर की नोडल ऑफिसर स्कॉलरशिप M दामू सिंह की चेरोल मदा खंगलकली Wango Assembly Constituency ki manung chana leiba chongtham kona makha laikai am Delilong Assembly Constituency ki nungai makha laikai ki marakta cheliba Imphal Turel mathakta Valley Bridge sabu ki thabakta ayatpa pirakpa sing government amit yang changbiduna thong asi athuba matamda saba loishin biu haina chongtham kona ki manung chana leiba club mangana government ki pukning chingsilakli ngasi Manipur Press Club ta chongtham kona Youth Development Organization di Iram Sifai Manganimas Association, Library and Information Youth Affairs Association, Standard Youth Development Association, New Athletics and Voluntary Youth Club, Hariba Club Manga Sigi Mihut Singa, Pongmi Singa Unabada Thoram Ama, Pangtokhi. Pongmi Singa Unabadu da Club Manga Sigi Mihut Sing na Sinduna Chongtham Kona Youth Development Organization ki Secretary P. Joy Chandrana haikibada February thadagi sagatpa hauriba Valley Bridge asina Imphal West Thawal amadi Bishnupur District sing fauna hangadawribani jatra hunduna saba haukraba thong asibu mafam chai chade haibagi namada JEC against the preparation of construction new bridge at Nungai Makha Laikai na thong sabagi thabak sing thingzilakpa asina thong asi saba loibada matam thengtha halagani haiki
Kendra Mari Pongna Bayaba aduga loinana district omju Pongna Bayaba yama tenba thongsi be sagibada lambi je yam naksin nagadaba adumba mafam moiba adumba thonghamne lemine khurimaksi tasena masigi thongima lakda ahongma lakdoine ekoina hajiningi di athu matamda sabolution biyo masida yekai thigai kangusing sarkar gi makai dagi lokop yaba action lokop biyo ekoi gi makai dagi di tasena pangme mating sarkar da pangjage aduna yam thuna thongsi saraga prajada masigi kana bi phangan biyo sini
Manipur Postal Division ki staff sing na changsilakli ba matam kaktaba thabak lepagi khongjang adu handokre staff sing na taliba demand adu fanghalagani haina Postmaster General North East Circle na thazaba pirakpadagi thabak lepagi khongjang adu handoknabagi warep ngarang laukibani haina All India Postal Employees Union P3 Manipur Division branch ki chairwal amana khangalakli adubu Postmaster General gi khongthang matung inna yanakhigani munna yengkhigani karigumba mathau tarbadi makha taba khongjang changsingani hairi Inkhalakliba naha amadi angang singbu masamu fana thamnagibagi pandamda Caesar Hospital Langol nangarang Pediatrics Health Talk ama thangmiban maisnam laikai da leba St Xavier School da pangthokre Thoramadu Caesar Pediatrics and Neonatology Department na sinduna pangthokibani Thoramadu ki manung chana mahiroi amadi Dr. Singi marakta wahang pahong pangthokibaga loinana chahi manga phawbugi manung da leba angang singda vitamin A supplement singsu yenthoki Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited ki IED2 gi makhada laiba LSD1 gi manager L Momochana tharokpa cherol amagi matung inna jurisdiction asigi manung chanba man road khuding makki lambi mataida tengliba dedicated service cable VIP line sing asi kaktalagani khongthang asi city asibu fazahna bagi dawak lokhatpani amadi masida miyamna mateng pangbiu haina cherol asina makhatari Sajal Academy Kurai branch linkhat ki chahi taraga mapan subagi Raising Day pangthokre Raising Day gi thoramadu Universal Friendship Organization UFO gi meeting makada Sajal Academy Kurai branch na sinduna lining tau awangba sanglen Kurai da pangthoki thoramadu da UFO amasung Academy gi member kayana saruk yaki Raising Day gi thoramadu hogdokpagi firal chingkhatpada Social Welfare Minister AK Mirabai Devi su saruk yaram ki hai Lakliba March taraga taret ki ayuk pung taraga mathoi makhai tabuda Imphal East DC Office Complex da leiba Panchayat Bhavan da Imphal East ki manung da leiba National Amadi State Political Party sing gi oiba mifam pangthoktuna district asigi polling station sing nauna semdok semjin tawbugi matang da khanagadori mifam asida Imphal East District da leiba political party khudemaki mihut sing na saruk yaranaba Imphal East District ki Deputy Commissioner na khangalagli Chahi khudingi chathabagu Manipur Police ki SDPO sing na masa masa ki jurisdiction da laiba police station sing da inspection chathanabagi thabak ngasi su Imphal West ki SDPO RK Saklembana Sekmai Police Station yengsin kre ngasigi yengsin bagi thabak adugi mangoinana haukiba March tareta mahakna Lamphel Police Station tang nipandana Lamsang Police Station su yengsin ki panba yabadi chahi khudingi chathabat thauram asigi manung chana SDPO Rameshwar na Wangoi Police Station amadi SDPO AZ Sarmana Imphal Police Station su yengsin kibani Clean Government Office Competition gi sarokama oina Thawal District ki oina Subdivisional Officer SDO na luchingba assessment team ama district asiki Deputy Commissioner gi meeting makhada sem khreloi na district asiki oina competition asida sarok yanaba government office kunsu khangat kre Impact News ka akhanana unaba amada Thawal District ki Deputy Commissioner T Ranjit Nahai Manipur Urban Development Agency Muda gi Deputy Secretary gi notice amagi matung inna Thawal District ki oina Clean Office Competition asida saruk yanaba sem saba haure Competition asina government office hena taru tananba nungaiba mafam ama wahendun office staff amadi miyam da kanaba piba ngamgani haina T Ranjit na phongdoroki
Executive Officer Thawal Municipal Council da koi direction se tarik tarit ta pigre cleanliness drive se le da parameters de soiba koi office ta quason ba boiro urinal set fasan le ba weather fasan maintain to ribra high ba parameter me am so loina test to de ha ba yenga it will make a sense of competition among the officers also officer nala ka din bayam pradana su respect over here personally supervise this particular exercise we will be able to participate fully in this particular competitions and hopefully some of our office will definitely win the prize also and I'm just praying to God that we get this prize also.
Yankai Suba All India Blind Welfare Week Kamari Lainana Rims the EPBG Game Pangthokre EPBG Game Adu the Welfare Association for the Blind Manipurna Lifesavers Manipur Sky Hospital and Research Center Rims Samsung NSS Unit BM College Sombunga Kusimna Duna Pangthokibani Blind Welfare Week Kamari Lainana Chatakiba EPBG Game Adu the Myoy Kun Nipan Henbana EPK
Lifesavers Manipur Sina Leptana Sasalak Pasina Sigma Koigi Mari Leinaba Tangai Pata observation me amsi akoina tawra tawra blood se akoina han tawsaraga blood donor se masing adum lepna adum chasa putoksare adabu hojik leiba Manipur leiba blood se akoi atopai state ke yanor matam da akoi yamna low oi ona hojik je akoi 40% gumba adumana yorongoni tambule ngoni hana chawpam thamjage
International Women's Day Gamari Lainana ngasi Patsoi Assembly Constituency gi manung chana leba Patsoi Part 1 the free medical came ama pangtokrai Patsoi Part 1 gi mafam asida Primary Health Center ama leizarabasu center asi mathau togdana leirakpa asina maramarga lamdam adugi miyam na ana layengi lamda khudong chadaba kaya ngasi fawba mayok na duna lakli ngasi gi free medical came asi Patsoi Kendra Social Upliftment Pakswa Youth Welfare Club Patsoi Part 1 amadi lamdam adugi maira paibi imai ben ahumna khusamnaduna pangthokibani tharamuda mapan suba sector traganithoi suba Vihar Regiment ki maikai dagi su Sadbhavna Social Civics Project ki makhada mating pangki chahi ahumdagi marfu gi mathakta phawbuda leiba lamdam adugi mioi chahum henbana medicine dental amadi ophthalmologist hariba ana lying sing asidagi kanaba sing lauki
health access leite bagi ko dispensary su leite mogi doctor su leite adugi mayam na pamjaba na khoina health camp ngasi 9 March 2016 se khoina observe tori 12 Bihar Regiment na moina medicine sponsor toroga doctor manga ga khoi se ngasi medical camp to bane kari gi no herari khoina mi se loina healthy o hening ba especially children and women gi se mama oibani na anga oibani moi masa pharadi khoi se akhoi gi kaino society moi gi kendra se phagad dobunina akoina pambagi sigi free medical camp army degi help lora akoina tawzab
Thasigi tareta United Naga Council UNC gi miteng makhada Zilangrong Body Manipur Zilangrong Youth Front Zilangrong Pui Body amadi Khaupum Area Village Authority Council na sinduna mamang chahi gi August 3 da Center NSC and IM ga soi tawna kiba framework agreement ki matangda khana nainabagi thauram ama Tamelong District ki Khaupum Valley da leiba Gaidim Zang House ta pangtokrai UNC and some NWU ZBM ZYF ZPB FNR Church ki leader sing village authority sing Satra Naharol amadi Nupi Luchingbi kayana saruk yakiba mifam aduda yanakiba agreement adu athubada political reality da ontok piu haina Union government ta taksin ki loinana Naga gi political group sing amadi faction sing na su haukiba Wari Singh kauthoknaduna apunba political solution amagidamak changsen binasi haina appeal tauki Assam Rifles ki chamaga marfuga mathoi suba Raising Day gi mangoinana say no to drugs haiba motoda IZR South ki mit emakada anjuman ga khusam naduna anti drug campaign gi cycle rally amanga se lilong olong dagi hauduna chatkre Anti drug ki pausel phuba rally edu Assam Rifles mayang Imphal Post ki commanding officer na lamthaduna lilong ataw khong Lai Prakpam Lilong Awang Laikai na chingba mafam singda cycle tongtuna chatki. Matang sois the break am logzage Manipuram di malangi tongan ba ipaw singaloy na naikhoy break ti game thunan jarake Impact News mamini ek tatul review.
Ministry of Urban Development Government of India na state singa direction piri government offices laiba government building mek hei leising se masi lu nan bagi adugumba competition ama tau competition je March ki tarik amadagi horaga 35 phawba tawgadabni tarik 36 sida koige muda gi Manipur Urban Development Agency amasung municipality gi mioi mayam team chalaga semaga adumai tawna hariba moje mark pigni hariba adumasi am afaba initiative ni ada public na sulakwa ade employees na solution ba toilet sing ba maruina ade tholai ba garbage kamai tawna dispose togi haibna singbasi khitang focus torwa attention pirakpasi am afaba initiative ni koi mahu department tori sibo hariba
Breaking matung nang ngasino magi sana bagi pawgaloy na mayamba mukana taram nokchari. Ahom suba oinam Charlie Memorial Open 5-a-side football tournament Zone FC chanbingai final changkre tournament sigi ngasi sana kiba ahanba semi-final match amada Zone FC chanbingai gi sanaroi Pianda amadi nauba anina match ki mapan amasung yangkai gani thoi suba minute singda chan kiba panjal ani aduna Sangai FC thangmiban bu panjal ani amada mighty ba pikibani match asida mighty horaba Sangai FC thangmiban gi amata ngairaba panjal aduna golmaina chan kibani mamang thagi taraga mari dagi pangthok pa haukiba tournament asida football team kungani thoina saruk yari aikoi gi club singzamai oinam thingel gi sanabung da chatharak leba tournament asigi hayang sanaga da ani shuba semi final da TYDA Thawbal amadi Tels High School ani na बात होना MSCP Kiamgai Tragamari Suba Mapan S-Site Oriental Football Academy Cup ki final changkre ngasi sanakiba tournament sigi ani shuba semi final da MSCP Kiamgai gi sanaroi Roshan match ki kungamatoi suba minute chankiba amata ngairba panjal aduna pupu pungdong bambu panjal amasinoda mighty ba piram laga chatharak liba tournament ki final changbangam kibani Imphal East ki manung chanba pungdong bamda leiba academy sina sinduna chatharak liba tournament sida football team tragani thoina saruk yari thasi ki tragum doida tournament asigi final match sanaragani. UPSC Pukhao Traga Nitoi Suba DSA Trophy Naurem Bhubol Memorial State Level Invitation Football Tournament ki quarter final changmangam kre hairi tournament asigi ngasi sanakibal league match amada UPSC Pukhao gi sanaroi Lamlai Sen ko na Panjal ani Gopi na Panjal ama aduga Hisu Thawal gi sanaroi Bemer Jitna Masa Mathanta Chanjakiba Panjal ama yauna Hisu Thawal Panjal Mari amada Mighty Bapi kibani match asida Mighty Horoba Hisu Thawal gi amata ngairba Panjal aduna Krishna Nandana Chankibani All Manipur Football Association ki bidiyang makada District Sports Association Kakching na sinduna chatharliba football tournament asida football team taraga nitoy na saruyari association asigi sanabungda chatharliba tournament asigi hayang makataba match ama sanaragani haina association asigi general secretary na tadrukpa cherolabada khanglakli Ahom Suba MCAW Pralada Amadi W Ramananda Elite Cricket Tournament ngasi dagi luang sangbam dalaiba luang popo cricket stadium da hokre tournament asigi ngasi ahanba sanakiba league match amada Kasar Road Athletic Club khamnam leirakna tos ngamduna batting hana sanakiba da apiba over yankai yaudana over nifuga tarit ka ball ahum da wicket taramak turaga supnagi run chamaga nifu manga khak lobungam masigi paukhumda ani suba batting sanakiba Tidim Road Athletic Union kwakachelna supnagi over kungani the wicket ani turaga run chamgani futaruk lauduna match asi wicket Nepal da maithiba pikibani match asi da Tidim Road Athletic Union kwakachel gi batsman Priyojit na not outer run yankhai ga taruk lauduna man of the match takibani Manipur Cricket Association sinduna ngasi da hokeba tournament asi da team tarana saryari thasi gi traga mathoi da sanaga da tournament asi gi ani shubal league da YWC Langthabal amdi Cyclone Thangmiban anina lamba taunaragani Ahom Suba MCA played cricket tournament ngasidagi Langthabal public ground da team taraga humdoina saruk yaduna sanaba hokre ngasi hokiba tournament asigi ahanbal league amada Thongzu Chingong Lei Makong Development Club Thongzu Mai Pakre over kuntraga manga lamba taunaduna sanakiba match asida Thongzu Chingong Lei Makong Development Club na toss ngamduna batting hana sanakiba da apiba over kuntraga manga da wicket taruk turuga run chamagat marfutraga mari lobungamki masigi paukhumda ani suba batting sanakiba Nauria Pakhang Lakpa Sports Association na apiba over yaudana over kontraga ni thoiga ball manga da wicket loina turuga supnagi run chamaga humpuga mari khak lauduna match asi run kontrada mai thiba nangkibani match asi da Thongzu Singong Lei Makong Development Club ki batsman Priyo Bertana out oidana run chamaga sumna hum lauduna man of the match takibani Manipur Cricket Association as sinduna ngasi dagi haukiba tournament asigi hayang makataba league match ani sanaragani Traditional martial art form contemporary choreography dance form da pusinduna malengi thakta hena fazaba amasung top masak thokhanabagi pandam da Kolkata da leiba Center for Manipuri Dance and Movement Therapy na numit humnigi choreography dance festival ama pangthoki AAYAM haina mingthonba dance festival aduda gi impact news ki video journalist Bisorje nangmairakpam da ki akhanaba report ama
Mai the Sacred Fire haina mingthonba Manipur gi thang ta amadi jagoi artist singi apunba dance choreography ama miyam da uttuna festival asibu haudoki Manipur gi mai haurol dagi leijaraklaba thang ta asti jagoi gi mawongda mai thang amadi male masiga leinarakpa mariadu mayek segna jagoi gi sathekta uttuna yengliba bhabok singbu khubak khuba fawba kawhanki मार्च की तांग अनीदगी इंडियन म्यूजियम कोलकाता दा पांगथोकिबा फेस्टिवल अदुदा चीफ गेस्ट ओइना सरुक याखिबा प्रेसिडेंसी यूनिवर्सिटी के वाइस चांसलर प्रोफेसर अनुराधा लोहियाना लाइनिंगथौ पाखंबगी मफम दा मैरा चुखतुना फेस्टिवल अदु हौदोखी अमदी फेस्टिवल असिबु अंजिकाना हेना मरुइबा थौदांग लौदुना सिनबगीदमक अपेनबसु फोंदोखी
The way Preeti struggled against every possible odd and to work in an area like Manipur, to take young dancers with her, starting from the age of 9 to 15, on her single responsibility. And can you understand how parents of those little children relied on Preeti to send their wards with her? How she looked after them, how she taught them, and how they found Manipur and imbibed Manipur. It's a lost art now. Nobody will be able to learn what Preeti's breed of dancers has learned, and I am a first-hand witness of it. So I think the city thanks you, Preeti, for bringing Manipur here. The city thanks you for the generation which saw the real Manipur and really integrated it into our souls. Because
lecture demonstration yauna pangthokiba festival adugi saruk ama oina tongan tongan ba guru sing amadi choreographer singna magi maramdamgi fazaraba jagoi isai amadi martial arts ki matangda lecture piduna miyangi pungning chingsinki फेस्टिवल असगी निनी चंब नुमित्ता दिल्ली की गुरु शशाधर आचार्य की महानायक गरुदा हारिबा जगोयसी मियामद उत्खी छाव हाइना खंगनबा हिंदुइज्म अमदी लाई हाक्तकी वारीदा बेस तौबा डांस कोरियोग्राफी अमसु तोंगान तोंगानबा मखल अहुम थोकना उत्खी उदयन की डायरेक्टर ममता शंकरना चीफ गेस्ट ओइदुना जीडी बिरला सुभागर द पांगथोकिबा थौरम अदुदा तोंगान तोंगानबा हिरमदा ममिंग लेरबा मियोय क्यासु सरुक याखी संगीत नाटक एकेडमी संस्कृति सागर की मखादा इंडियन म्यूजियम कोलकाता मदी अंजिकाना सिंधुना पांगथोकिबा फेस्टिवल असिगी लोइसिनबा नुमित्ता कलारी पयातु हाइना मिंगथोनबा केरला की अरीबा मतंगी मार्शल आर्ट फॉर्म असि उत्खी जलाम हारिबा मार्शल आर्ट की फॉर्म असिबु मॉडर्न डांस फॉर्म द ओंथोक्तुना केरला की यामना ममिंग लेरबा आर्टिस्ट मधु गोपीनाथ अमदी वकोम सजीव अमदी मपांग सिंह उत्खिबा फजखरबा जगोय अदुना अयेंगबा मियांग की पुगनिंग सुमतखी मार्शल आर्ट का डांस का लेनरिबा मरी असगी मतंगदा लेप लेतना थौरम कया पांगथोक्तुना मियामदा खंगनगनी हाइना संगीत नाटक एकेडमी अवार्डी अमदी अंजिका की डायरेक्टर सु ओरिबी प्रीति पटेलना इंपैक्ट न्यूज द फोंदोरखी
My aim is to keep these forms alive, and these forms can be only kept alive through performance and through choreographies. Otherwise, they will die. We have to, continue this projects. I mean, we don't stop here because the audience is interested, and not only in Calcutta, but I would like to take it to Imphal and to other places of Northeast and parts of India, so that everyone can see what kind of work is being done.
Panbayai Center for Manipuri Dance and Movement Therapy Anjikasi Manipur gi mapanda base tawjaragasu Manipur gi culture bu yokhatnaba hotnabada achoba thodang loriba organization amani gi bisorjit na mairakpongga loinana paudam jaribi ai bidyarni thinguzam Impact News
Bisorjit nang mairakpamdagi akhanaba report ama akoi puna mityeng tamina khrabagi tungda roiba WTNS gi headline samhana mayam da thamsake Tongan Malamda Labour Artist Kungatareta English and Itarago Humdogi Manipur State Kala Academy Award the Fellow Sing Kusinakre. Yalong Idagi Lerak Laba Low Simubugi Mongbu Equina Makat Jataba Matautai Haina Deputy Chief Minister Guy Kangamna Humdokre. Amasung Nomit Humni Chumna Pangtoka the best state level Krishi Melanga Sidagi Haukre Ban Blockhead Tokpinaba Minister Govind Das na Apil Taukre.
Siriyam nungai ni ima gas cylinder na floor tiles ta thadaduna kaibadagi kanba ngami. Staircase ta chingkhatpa amadi intaba ngami. Trolley asi single amadi double makhal ani makta phangbigani. Loinana folk jeng na natana atopa potlam sing punaba trolley su phangbigani. Nungjeng Trolley, Khagempally, Panthak, Imphal. Contact us 9077124214. Adom shu trolley si sisinabiduna masiki kanaba logbiyo. Just try it.
After the grand success of previous year exam, Delta Tutorials for CBSE announces Foundation Course 2016. Admission open for Foundation Course, a class starting from 1st April 2016. And also Novodaya and Sainik Special. Special features: provide full printed study materials with probable questions, only 30 students per classrooms. Focus on result-oriented and knowledge-based. Regular test series and mock test. Available van service and hostel for boys and girls. For details, please contact Delta Tutorials office within 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Kwakatel Airport Road, opposite oil pump.
Solid Success Tutorial, Sega Road, Konjeng Hazari Lekai, opposite LG Shop Showroom. Admission open. Foundation course for 12 Science CBSE. First batch. Class will start from 10th March 2016. Timing: morning 5 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. Evening 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Facilities: van service, hostel for both boys and girls. For details, please contact Solid Success Tutorials.
DBC Coaching Center. 4 months foundation course for class 11 and 12 science, both COSEM and CBSE. Evening care for high school students, 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. Computer classes for class 9 and 10, optional. Multimedia teaching aids, motivation and counseling classes, routine class test and group discussion. Well-qualified faculties, well-furnished classrooms. Hurry! 10% discount for first 25 students. Classes commence on 17 March, class 12, on 1st April for class 11. For more details, please contact DBC Coaching Center, MM mentioned, Naurento Kulem Laikai, near DC office, Imphal West.